Credits to College Board and Khan Academy. Set questions. Reading inference questions. I want Ziad. I want you to help me with the first question.
Okay, sir, I put it B. This is my answer.
And the rest?
There is B and D.
B and
D. D.
and D. Okay, he wants, I believe he wants you to complete
The story or the statement.
the sentence. Since he
Yes.
asks you to complete the sentence, it means this is an inference question. You cannot stick
Question,
to
yes.
only the last sentence. You need to read from the very beginning
From the beginning, yes.
for yourself. Yes. Huh.
Yes. In a study on the effects of stress on the brain, neuroscientists Sonita Kumar and Ethan Wilson and others examined the brains of rats exposed to stressful situations.
Just a
The
sec.
researchers
Inference
found,
questions,
yes,
my friends. In inference questions, the main idea, اللي هو any inference question, asks you to complete the sentence. Make sure that the main idea of the text is in the first sentence. So you need to be very careful while reading and be very analytical while reading the first sentence. These are the homeworks. Yes, I've received them. Okay, so I want you to analyze and get the main idea in the first sentence, from the first sentence. What do you
okay,
think?
he said that when they make a study on the effects when the brain is in the stress, there is two scientists called Sonita Kumar and Ethan Wilson. They make an examination on the brains of rats, not humans. And they expose them to stressful situation. First of all, the first
Okay,
sentence.
if I'm asking you to summarize the first sentence in just 2 words, there is a correlation. Make sure that there is a correlation in the
Yes,
a
you need to
relationship between
study
two things. I know there is a study.
and the effects of the stress brain.
If you are going to choose 2 words, a correlation, like in math, there is a relationship, a correlation in the first sentence. Which 2 words would you choose?
Stress brain.
Allah alik. Allah alik. This is so analytical. Stress versus brain. They are studying the effects of stressful situations on the brain. يبقى the first sentence يا جماعة is very important in inference questions. That's the main idea. It has to be stated in the first sentence. And you demonstrated deep understanding of it since you chose those words. The effects, that's the goal of the study. That's the aim of the study, which to figure out the effects of stressful situations on
Brain.
on the brain. So we started with the goal. That's the goal of the study. Since he said the researchers found, so he's going to إيه يا جماعة هنا? He's going to express what? The goal of the study or the results of the study?
The result.
Yes, results, the findings. They found that stress
causes inflammation in the hippocampus.
So this is an effect. One of the effects. It causes inflammation in the
hippocampus. It's a part of the brain involved in the memory and learning.
So this is the hippocampus. Yes, part of the brain, and here is a non-essential clause, but it's important because it gives extra information. It explains or clarifies what the hippocampus is. It's the part related to memory and or responsible for memory and learning. Okay. They also discovered
this inflammation reduces the rat's ability to form new memories.
Okay.
يعني
So
we
if
know
I'm
that
asking, that's the main effect, تمام?
اه
Okay. Reduce
rat's ability to form new memories
to form new memories. Okay. So memory and learning,
and
very good.
memory.
So we have B and we have D. So they concluded that stress is likely
To
to,
decrease the ability to form new memories
okay, طب
because like they
decrease,
no because they
does
said
it
they
decrease
only
the inflammation?
no they
ولا
only
it
said that
causes inflammation?
no it is the result it causes inflammation.
So that's opposite to the text, right?
Yes,
It
yes,
doesn't decrease stress, causes
inflammation.
inflammation. So it's opposite to the text, but it decreases. So decreases
The ability
equals what?
reduced
Reduced the ability to form
memories. What is new memories?
new memories. Okay, if you are able to analyze the first sentence well, if you are good at figuring out the relationship or the correlation in the first sentence. وده اللي انت عملته لما قلت لي ان stress versus brain لان هما في الاستدي كان الجول to study the effects of stressful situations on the
Brain.
brain. طبعا الريزلتس اللي لقوها بعد كده يا جماعه found that it عندها negative effects بتعمل inflammation في part of the brain that is responsible for memory and learning, so we have a problem with forming new
New memories.
memories. Thank you.